Hey friends, Gary here, and today I was supposed to go outside and take some pictures and record it into my everyday photography vlog. However, this past few weeks it's been raining really bad here in Yogyakarta where I live, so I decided to stay at home and try to record something for you. And today I wanna explain from my own thinking the reasons why you should learn photography. This video is intended more for us hobbyists, enthusiast photographers, people who do photography just for fun. This is not for professional photographer, because for professional photographers, the reason is clear. You need to make some money and you have to deliver your photographs to your clients. Photography, I think, is a really wonderful hobby and skill. You can learn plenty of beautiful things from photography, such as dedication, discipline, perseverance, and all the other good things that surely will benefit you in your life outside of just photography. Photography is also not just about getting the best camera or the best lenses or the best camera gear whatsoever. Because if that is the truth, then whoever gets the most expensive camera and lens win. No, it's not about that. It's actually about the photographer's progress, trying to become better with every picture that he or she take and getting rewarded with beautiful pictures in the end. It's just something that's really romantic, beautiful, and deep in my opinion. Anyway, let's start with the first reason why you should learn and do photography, and that is because photography is such a fun hobby and skill. You are learning new things, you are learning new skills, you are learning the techniques on how to create photograph. You start to learn about camera settings as well, ISO, aperture, shutter speed, that kind of thing. And then you start to learn how to nail more difficult shots and progress step by step. I think that is something that is fun. Learning new things is always good for you, makes you feel more challenged, and if you do it right, the challenge can be very motivating for you to keep growing. When you are doing photography, you'll have to practice, you have to get out with your camera, take some pictures, and then you'll see the result. You get some feedback. Oh, I need to improve these specific things from my picture, so next time when I take the same pictures, I can get better. And suddenly it created this loop of practice, take picture, get some shots, get some feedback, repeat the practice over and over and over again, and then suddenly you become addicted to taking pictures. You just cannot stop. You want to keep doing it because it's so enjoyable. It makes you get that instant feedback of nice pictures on your camera, and it makes it really exciting. Another reason why photography is fun is because of the camera and the lens. They're just tools, but they are very tactile. You have to hold it with your hand, you have to feel all the buttons and the dials. When you focus, you have to feel the half press. It's so satisfying. You have to turn the dials from aperture priority to full manual, different shooting modes, and then changing some settings of the camera with the rear dial or the front dial. You know, touching your camera and lens is so addicting in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, this isn't about getting expensive cameras and lenses. It's just enjoying the tool that you have in your hand is something that I really think is fun. Next reason why you should do and learn photography is because it is a useful hobby. You can help other people with photography. Take some birthday photos, some product shots for other people, or maybe friends and family's photos. You can create meaningful memory and immortalize it in a form of a photo together with people that you care about. It's a way to show them that you care. I personally take many family and friends group photos, and I always enjoy doing that because I get to send them some high quality group photos and they will always like it and they will have it immortalized forever. But with photography, you can also help yourself. You can take some nice pictures just for yourself. Take some nice landscape photos, some nice street photos, travel photos, and just keep them for yourself, or turn it into nice desktop backgrounds or your phone's wallpaper. It'll be more memorable than just buying someone else's wallpaper, you know. And then you can also take some product shots of some products that you want to promote for your business. I think that is really helpful, you know, being able to do it yourself rather than hiring somebody else to take photos of your products. And then you can also really get into the art and science of photography. If you want to be a full-time photographer, it's an option as a job and a way to make money. Another reason why you should do and learn photography is because photography is one of the best inventions mankind has ever produced. You are able to freeze a moment in time. Allow me to be a little bit philosophical. We all know that time moves forward. A moment cannot be repeated. When it's gone, then it's gone. However, with the invention of photography, you can immortalize that moment, that slice of time, and have it forever with you, provided that you don't lose the photograph or lost the print or lost the file, things like that. Human being has limited memory. We cannot remember everything from the beginning of our lives until where we are right now. It's just impossible. And with photography, I think it's really a game changer. Now we can just recall any moments that we have the photographs, and we can see in complete detail all of the context, all of what happens, all the colors, all the visual, and that will help us to remember that moments again. I think this is such a beautiful thing. Next reason why you should do and learn photography is because photography can make you understand the world around you better. With photography, we have to train our eyes to really notice things around us, to notice the beauties in our environments, in our surroundings, to really appreciate what happens all around us. And that ability will help us to be more grateful and thankful. We don't take anything for granted. We really appreciate what happens around us. This is such a beautiful thing because our time in this world is really limited. We don't live forever, and let's fill it with gratitude, with positivity, with thankfulness, and let's use photography as a tool and skill to help us achieve that. So this gets philosophical again. I apologize for that if you don't like it, but it's true. Sometimes we just take pictures, bam, nice pictures here, bam, nice pictures there, but we forget why we take pictures. We take it for granted. We don't really know why. And I just want us to remember again why we take pictures. We want to be grateful. We want to be thankful. And hopefully with photography, we'll be able to do something positive in our lives. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all the reasons why you should do and learn photography. Hopefully this has been entertaining, inspiring, and enjoyable. So please let me know on the comments down below. Let's have a little bit of a discussion. Why do you take pictures? Is it for fun? Is it for hobby? Is it something that you want to learn more? Or is it your full-time profession or a way to make a living? Please let's have a discussion down below. And if you have any question, please comment down below as well. I will try my best to answer them. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my work even further, consider using the affiliate links on the description below, or buy my course, the Simplifying Travel Photography ebook, or you can use the super thanks button down below to make a small donation to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.